What was Shane MacGowan's personal life like? What was Shane MacGowan's personal life like? Shane MacGowan, the iconic Irish musician, was born on Christmas Day in 1957 in Pembury, Kent, England. His parents were Irish, and this heritage played a significant role in shaping his identity. When he was just 6 years old, his family moved back to Ireland, where he spent his early childhood in Tipperary. Growing up in an Irish Republican family, MacGowan developed strong political views. He often expressed a sense of regret for not joining the Irish Republican Army, but he found a way to channel his passion through music. His band, the Pogues, became a powerful voice for Irish culture and rebellion, resonating with many who shared similar sentiments. In his personal life, MacGowan had a long-term relationship with Irish journalist Victoria Mary Clarke. They were together for over 30 years before marrying in 2018 in Copenhagen. The couple chose not to have children, focusing instead on their pets and each other. This decision allowed them to maintain a sense of independence that they both valued. MacGowan's spiritual beliefs were quite diverse. He identified as a Roman Catholic but also incorporated elements of Buddhism into his life. He described himself as a free-thinking religious fanatic, reflecting his open-minded approach to spirituality. Traveling in Ireland offers a unique opportunity to appreciate the cultural and historical context that influenced MacGowan's life and music. For instance, visiting Dublin, where he lived with his wife, can provide a glimpse into the vibrant scene that inspired his work. The legacy of the Pogues continues to impact Irish music and culture, making Shane MacGowan a significant figure in Irish history. His personal experiences, relationships, and beliefs all intertwine to create a fascinating narrative that reflects the complexities of Irish identity. MacGowan's life story is not just about music. It is also about the rich cultural heritage that shaped him.